How to add a favicon to GoDaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and very simple it is to add a favicon to your website. So it is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account. We're going to head over our products from the account itself. Now, what are we going to do basically is to select one of the websites that we have and click on test. For example, one of these. This is going to be called test, this website. And after that, we're going to open up the editor of the website. We're going to head over the right side of the screen, click on the edit website, wait for the editor to load up. It is going to be here a very light editor. It is going to load up in no time. So as you can see, this is the editor. Now, what are we going to do basically is to head over the right side of the screen. As you can see, this is the control panel of the editor. We're going to select the settings. From the settings, we're going to see some elements. And from these elements, we're going to have the site profile. We're going to head over the third profile or the third parameter, which is going to be called favicon. Click on it. And here, as you can see, you're going to make, as they say, the website look more professional by adding a unique icon into the browser tab. That means that you're going to have your browser tab like that. You're going to have a favicon special for you. So you're going to upload it from here. I'm going to upload mine and let's see the result. But before that, you're going to have here some tips. You need PNG, ICO, or JPG, as you can see here, formats. The recommended dimensions are going to be 180 by 180 pixel. So let's go and head over Canva, and we are going to create a favicon. This is going to be for the sake of the regulation of 180 by 180, and we are going to create a new design for that. Let's see here if we are going to find something. So I'm going to have here some elements added. So let's see here, I'm going to have this just like that. I think that this is better. I don't know. I'm going to make sure that it is going to line up in the middle a little bit. Just like that. I'm going to download it just like this. And we are going to have it right away. So I'm going to have my file added. So this is our file. I'm going to upload it right away. We're going to have it like that. Click on done and boom. Now I'm going to click on publish of the website that we have. And we are going to see the preview of the icon. I'm going to close up Canva because I do not need it anymore. So I'm going to view site. And normally the favicon is going to be showing right there. It is loading the favicon, I think. And here it is. So this is the favicon. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And I hope to see you soon on the next one.